Hi, I'm Kevin Preston with Boniface Hiers Auto Group, and I'm here to tell you about the Dodge Challenger 2023 Black Ghost Special Edition. The Black Ghost is a blacked out car with just the right amount of chrome to show that it means business. You're going to get things like the fuel door, hood pins, badging on the front, the rear, the sides, and chrome trim inside and around the outside of the vehicle that are really going to give it a nice touch of class and show that power off. The designers started out with your standard run-of-the-mill SRT Hellcat Red Eye, complete with the Widebody kit, allowing those 11-inch wheels and nearly 12 inches of tire to fit underneath, giving you a proper contact patch to get that power down to the ground. Dodge produced 7 final edition vehicles, the Black Ghost being one of those. They made 300 Black Ghosts. That equates to one for every 8 Dodge dealers, as there's almost 2,500 Dodge dealers in the United States. We were lucky enough to get one of the few that were allocated to the state of Florida. All of that means that this is going to be a very sought after and collectible vehicle for generations moving forward. One of the coolest and most iconic parts of this car is the black gator skin roof. It's very unique, and it's something you're not going to see on other Challengers out there on the street. I hope you enjoyed the 2023 Black Ghost as much as I did. To see other videos just like this, subscribe to our channel, and to see this car, come visit us at Boniface Hiers Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram in Cocoa, Florida.